Welcome today once again to our training on how to construct top bar beehives. Top bar beehives is very common around this place, and it was one of the simplest beehives that you can easily construct. And I want to show you tonight how to construct a top bar beehives. There are there are 5 major parts. The two sides, you can see that the sides is like a triangle, and we have already cut it. And there is a small insertion here where the bee can easily come in. These are the sides. Side 1 and side 2, and we also have what we call the base. After the base, we also have what we call the bars, the top bars. These are the top bars. I've already cut them, and they are here already. So it's very, very simple to construct, and let me just show you the way we are going to construct it. The dimension of the sides. This one is the dimension of the side is 84 meter, and the height of the side is maximum of 10 meter. The same thing with the other side. Then the length of the side here is 39 meter. Sometimes we make it 40, but the side here is 39 meter, and the base of the side is 22 meter. So the same thing with the height of this one will be the same thing with this one. So, and this is the base. This is the base. The base will be a little bit longer than the box, because we have what we call the where the bees will be able to land, the landing part, or the landing base for the bees, and just a little bit, just like 1 meter longer than the box. So these are just the formation of bee box. Very, very simple to construct. You don't need your bee box to be beautiful. What you need in the bee box, in the beehive, is that your bee will be able to locate a good box and they go inside. The more uglier your bee box is, the better for you. So you don't need a special way of designing your bee box. So this is side 1, and I will show you now how you go about it. Side 1, this way. This is side 1. Side 1 has been completed, and you can see that I've done this. Then I'll now go to the other side, that I'm going to complete the other side also. That's the reason why I can easily do this with the help of nobody. You can actually do it by yourself if you know what to do. So this is the other side of the box. So it is easier to start with the sides than from the base. So here now, I'll complete the other side. So you can see that it's very, 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 very much easier when you know what to do. So the box is almost done. You can see now that we're almost through. What remains here is the base now. So the next thing I'm going to do, since I've already cut the base, I'm just going to cover it up. So you can see that our box is already done. So a little bit to this side, and I'll make sure that it's also a little bit to the other side. This is my nail box. So our bee box is already done. So you can see that it's very, very easy to construct a bee box. And just like I said the other time, the bars are already here. When you look at the bar, I've already cut them. So the length of this one, you can see that it fits perfectly. This is length 43.5 in length. And when you see the base here, the attaching base here, this from here to this end is 1.5. From here to this end is 1.5, and you can see that it has been so easily, it can easily fix here. That's the reason why it is called the top bar. So the next thing is to arrange the bars at the top. Next thing is to arrange the bars at the top. That one is not very straight. So behold, our box is already done. So you can actually do it on your own. And now when you finish that one, the next thing is, how do you cover it? In my research, I found out that I can easily use a tarpaulin to cover it, especially the ones you want to hang in the wide. And if the one you can use stand like this to do it, you can use a aluminium foil. You can use aluminium foil. I have so many of them around. Something like this, cover it. Don't need anything special. Just cover it like this and put something to hold it on top. Sometimes you can cut it this way. You can cut it this way. You can trim it. Or sometimes you don't do that. You can put a holder to hold it like this. If you have a holder to hold it like this, then easily you can cover it like this. Cover it like this, and behold, when you want to stand it in the wide, the beehives, bee box is already done. Thank you for watching tonight. Next time, God bless you.